In this video, I'm going to set up a course completion in my course. This is my course, and here we have course, then more, course completion. So here we have general. Course is complete when all conditions are met, or any of the conditions are met, but for me all conditions are met is okay. Conditions, activity completion, so we can select the activities that learners are expected to do. For example, I want learners to do book, this one, for example, resources, feedback, footer. Then condition requires all selected activities to be complete. It's okay. Condition completion of other courses. So it's about other courses. If, for example, learners are required to pass, to complete other courses, you need to choose the course, which course. And condition for date, conditions for enrollment or unenrollment, course grade. If you want to enable it, you can enable, and you can, for example, choose 100. Condition manual self completion, I think it's okay, enable it. Condition by manual completion by others. Maybe you like teachers to do it, so teachers, or selected rows to mark when the condition is met, or any selected rows. Just I've selected one row. Okay, save changes. Thank you so much.